I screenshot this from yesterday, in which one Naruto arrived at March 6, 2015 time in New York port. April 7, 86, one port 86. One Naruto 91. Is Messi better than Pele? Is what Trump asked 91. One Harbor 48. Heart Part 4 48 by Kendrick Lamar. One Harbor, Messi or Pele, April 7, 2026. Topics, Heart Part 4, and those are the numbers. Why Harbor and port is because Minato is a Japanese noun and given meaning harbor or port. Whirlpool, 43. One Manito, 43. For those who watch that show, Naruto Uzumaki, meaning whirlpool. Okay? And here's this an example of Naruto whirlpools as seen from a tourist boat in Japan. The storm is coming, 81. Naruto Uzumaki, 81. Fall Spring, 54, 171, 63. Naruto Uzumaki, 171, 54. April 7, 63. Notice the pink on the map. Fall spring is a period of unseasonably warm weather, which tricks us thinking that the winter time is over, but it's not yet. Iwa no Katoba, 54, 189. Fall spring, 54. Naruto, 54. Fall spring or polar vortex is incoming, 189. The final episode of Naruto Shippuden, Iwa no Katoba, The Message, aired on March 23rd, 2017. Pink zone on the weather map, 291.93. The Admiral Roaring Currents, 291. Iwa no Katoba, The Message, 93. Because in that movie, the Admiral Roaring Currents, it has the whirlpool in it. Naruto is the letter Iruka gives him on the Turtle Island, 293. Fall spring, a polar vortex, 293. Pink Tudor watch that Trump got, 78. New York, 78. Here he got the pink Tudor watch. Time is up. Shippuden, 112. Naruto Shippuden means a hurricane. Chronicles. Naruto Hurricane Chronicles, 130. Fall spring of polar vortex, 130. Arctic blast to Tennessee, 75. Japan flag on one Manito, 75. Polar vortex Arctic blast to Tennessee. Naruto Uzumaki marries Hinata Yuga, 189. Iwa no Katobi, 189. Fall spring of polar vortex is incoming, 189. Naruto Uzumaki marries Hinata Hyuko at the end of Naruto Shippuden. Maritime Law, 52. Wedding Orc, 52. They have the children Boruto and Himawari, 105. Pink zone on weather map, 105. February 16, 2017 was when that first episode aired, 74. Maritime Law, 74. The last episode, February 23rd, 2017, 75. Arctic blast to Tennessee, 75. From February 16 to March 23rd, 2017, when the whole show of Shippuden began and ended, is 233. Limited edition Inter Miami Pink Tudor watch, 233 is what Trump got. So here we have the perfect wedding for a wedding arc began airing on February 16, 2017, and it was released on March 23rd, 2017. Naruto's wedding message, 105. Pink zone on weather map, 105. The children Boruto and Himawara, 105. Naruto's wedding, 6678. Pink Tudor watch, 6678. Go Buckson, 156.48. One Harbor, because April 7th is World Health Day, and one World Health Organization, WHO. Admiral Yi Sun Sin in the Admiral Current, he famously invented or refined the turtle ship. Notice everything's about the turtle island, turtle ship, America. Go Buckson. And this is a scene from the movie. Admiral Yi Sun Shin, military hero and god of war. Here's Naruto with a headband with a whirlpool on it.
조선은 わしがいただくことにする.
적선이 이미 200척이 넘었소이다. 무려 1만이 죽었어.
이 싸움은 불가합니다.
아직 신에게는 12척의 배가 남아있사옵니다. 만일 그 두려움을 용기로 바꿀 수만 있다면 말이다.
대감이 이겨서는 안 된단 말이다.
갑판이 화포들을 좌로 쪽으로 옮겨 모조리 집중하려 하네.
그러다 나 죽을 수도
된다고 말하게. 더 이상 살 곳도 물러설 곳도 없다. 전군 출정하라.
Notice that in that movie, it happened in 1597, the year of the fire rooster. I did a decode on El Mancho, Lord of the Rooster.
Why is all this happening?
War's being waged. Madarat has declared war. I can't. I'm sorry, but I just can't let you leave this place.
Didn't I tell you that I'm stronger now? You can't keep me here.
No matter what happens, come back alive.
Naruto listens to all you say, and he's kept it securely inside him to...
Going on?
Notice that Naruto ate the paper that Uraka gave him because that means your secret is safe with me. I watched a lot of Asian movies where they do that. Polar vortex to bring Arctic blast to Tennessee. According to Enoch, the pre-scientists who built Stonehenge were sent out from the Academy of On to establish a worldwide network to be centered in Giza, the major geophysical timepiece of the world. The sixth chakra, accordingly, is represented at Memphis, the city of Ptah. Memphis is to be viewed in terms of the White Wall, which was built to protect the Delta, the headpiece. In terms of astronomy, Memphis, Tennessee, exemplifies the 24 sacred sarcophagus of the Apis bull, representing Taurus, Orion, the 24 elements of the mind behind the throne and dominion worlds. The 24 also represent the spiritual civilizations in space that have left their seed on the earth. Memphis is the city of rebirth. Rebirth must have come through the Deca Delta, divinely cast in the 10 great lords who were chosen to guard the Delta. The word Meru appears in many forms. As Meru, it means water and mother love in Egyptian. Coincidentally, or perhaps not, Nashville was originally called the Meru District. Based on the interchangeability of the words Meru and Moru, I refer to the Nashville pillar as Meru, axis of love, like the Buddhist pillar. Nashville's Meru is composed of two primary elements, a ring, the most basic feminine symbol, and a pillar, mound, pyramid, or cone, the universal symbol for Meru, which happens to be the Egyptian hieroglyph for bread and offering. The Meru pillar is topped by a triangle, the symbol for a door, similar to two razor horns that are suggestive of vortex shapes for an inverted cone or pyramid at the top of the Nashville Meru pillar. There were 12 tribes in all, each coinciding along 12 vertexes or holes in the earth. These original 12 tribes were called the Salaki Nation. Each nation handled a particular vortex and a particular responsibility. These 12 vortexes are astonishingly similar to Plato's description of the true earth as a 12-angle pyramid with each angle representing a hole or vertex. The Egyptians claim a worm-like creature named Anubis was the guardian of this 12-angle pyramid. Correspondingly, Cherokee mythology related by James Mooney tells of a great snake called Uktena who was as large around as a tree trunk with horns on his head and a bright blazing crest like a diamond upon his forehead and scales glittering like sparks of fire. The diamond in his forehead was described as a large transparent crystal that contained enormous spiritual power that could work miracles. The Cherokee claimed that Utakna's crystals were actually artifacts that preserve sacred knowledge. In fact, Cherokee religion appears to be structured around the knowledge of quartz crystal. Kurama, also known as the Nine-Tail, is a powerful, cynical fox spirit and one of the nine-tailed beasts in Naruto, sealed within the main character, Naruto Uzumaki, at birth. Initially filled with hatred for humans, Kurama gradually develops a friendship and partnership with Naruto, eventually becoming a loyal ally and a source of immense power, using his ability to help save the world. Kuroma 1 Monito, 43. Naruto's Uzumaki's power stemmed from his massive chakra reserves. Kuroma, the Nine Tail. Naruto Kuroma, the Nine Tail, 101. Climate change, 101. The black sun energy is increasing, 137. 1 Bonito, 137.